Hi everyone, good morning. I have a lot of news to share with you. This is the fag end of our trip, and as you can see, our faces have changed. So the one thing about a bike trip is that there's going to be a lot of mental challenges. You're going to get really irritated with a lot of issues. We've experienced that through the last few hours of the trip. It's been extremely entertaining because everybody's we're all friends at the end of the day. So which is why this is all in good spirit. I'd like to share a lot of things really. So everybody here got pretty much everyone here pretty much got pissed off with someone or the other and with each other as well on really random issues that didn't matter, but very interesting ones.
Continue.
Okay. And what happened right now is Amrik. If you just show them who Amrik is.
Amrik,
can you please look back?
ये जो सिल्ली सिल्ली आंधी है हवा.
Alright, so Amrik apparently was mistook a really big stone for a speed breaker. I don't know how to put this, but I think that's what happened. And he, from what he says, he jumped over that, and now he's got flat tires.
It's there in the background.
And you can you see it there?
Yeah.
Both
the tires flat. So now we're trying to fix that, and we're still trying to keep our cool. We're very far from home right now.
Tell them we covered 180 kilometers in 10 hours.
No. We reached to Jaipur at around 10:30. Okay, and after 10:30 we took dinner, and by 11 we were free. 11 at night. Okay, so from 11 at night. Okay, so from 11 at night, and now it's about to 10. Okay, and still we are away from Jaipur, and we need to cover 126 kilometers to reach Jaipur, and from there we need to cover 300 kilometers to reach Delhi. And according to Martin, we were driving at constantly on 60.
So, according to Martin, we were driving constantly on 60, so we covered 180 kilometers in 10 hours. Right, Martin?
Correction. Come closer.
Yeah.
So, this is sometime at night. I don't remember the time because we just lost track of everything. Our brains had turned into porridge. They still are. And I requested if I could lead the pack for a change because I'd been following and I'd been looking at taillights, and it was extremely annoying to do that. So I requested if I could lead, and I was granted that. So I was told to stay at 60 kilometers per hour standard, and I tried to do that, but it didn't happen. And I think I drove faster and a little more carelessly than I should have, and I completely accept that. I was an ass. I shouldn't have done it, but we all make mistakes, right? But in any case, the good bit is that we covered 47 kilometers in half an hour. That was the only progress we made.
Okay, one question. What was your speed at that point of time?
Yeah, I was traveling pretty fast.
No.
What you 60? According to you, it was 60. You never went over 65,
Yeah.
right?
No, I think I was riding at about 85. But, it was a mistake. I shouldn't have done that for someone who was responsible. It was a bad move. But in any case, like I said, shit happens, right? So we are here, and yeah, let's hope we can figure this thing out and go home. But it's been a great trip. I've had a lot of fun. It's been a very different experience.
Let me clean my bike.
Yeah. Maybe you should videotape that.
you'll be also doing the same thing. This is our
Baggage.
trolley of the trip.
Thanks to the pillion. Oh, by the way, yeah. Come here, come right here. So all of this is happening because of this one jerk who has a bike. Apparently it's a 500cc Bullet. That's what he says. But it's not here with us. But he is. And he's an ass. He just tired everybody out. But we love him. So,
Mwah.
which doesn't mean he's not an ass.
Okay, Amrik, would you like to say something? Amrik? Amrik?
Oh man. I'll tell you what. We'll stop recording right now, and when we're slightly fresh, we'll close this video. We'll tell you what all happened. Till then, goodbye.